Otieno Modok from Arianda Farms Africa Limited. At Arianda Farms Limited, we deal in ALVs, value chain. It's African leafy vegetables. We're working in 6 counties, and we're mainly focused on youth employment, creation of jobs for the youth. Our model is unique because we are focused on the ICF, inclusive contract farming. And on the inclusive contract farming, we are engaging farmers and giving them guaranteed market for their produce. On this platform, it has really helped us to increase our output because now farmers have guaranteed market, and when they sell to us, they get instant payment for their products. Also, that has created stability for our company on the supply side, and we can be able to grow and engage in big enterprises in creating business deals where we can supply.
I'm Emily Atieno, a beneficiary of an Arianda lady called Mercy. I met Mercy through a guy called Brian. Through Mercy, I've met Modak, and by now it's around 4 months since I met them, and I've been working under Mercy. So far, like in a day, they give us like around 300 to 350 kgs, which goes for about a sack of 150 kg goes for 100, goes for 1,500. When you sell it, you can get a benefit of 3,500. It depends how you sell. You find a ready market, you just go, don't run. So far, I've been able to employ 2 people. They work under me. I'm able to pay my own fees. I'm a student at Young Men Christian Association. I'm doing hospitality, and by selling vegetables, I'm able to pay my fees, pay the 2 people that are working under me, and pay my bills and help my family.
We're moving 2 tons a day. In the next short term means from January, we are aiming to do 4 tons a day, going up to Nakuru and probably some Nairobi market. We can earn from 2 tons is about 500,000 Kenya shillings every week. That's the turnover. So the profits are a bit lower, probably 200,000 or 150. But the issue of supply has been a point of concern. So we decided to get into a pack house. We built a pack house as Arianda, where we can store and hold produce for about 2 or 3 days, just to make sure we are sustainable and we are consistent in our supply to our customers. Our farmers to up to 6 months because we are dealing with vegetables. Then we have farmers from Kisumu, Siaya, Bungoma, Kakamega, Vihiga counties, and even Busia. So the 6 counties. But we are extending even to South Nyanza just to get more. We got into vegetable because, one, they are used to our weather, and then penetration range is very low. So targeting the youth who do not have a lot of income, it was easy buy for them where they could earn. On the ALVs, especially African leafy vegetables, did not have a proper system to the market. But we have been able to commercialize a product which was subsistently farmed. So now it is creating jobs and people are earning from it. Each farmer roughly is getting us. We have worked with GIZ on the Agri Jobs for Youth project, and specifically for this, they helped our company in getting the youths together, how we train them, how we onboard them. This would have been very costly for us going around onboarding the farmers as our main supplier. But thanks to that project, we were able to easily get them on board. We are currently serving up to 3,500 farmers across those counties who are consistently supplying a number which is unique, obviously for logistics reasons. When their product is off-taken at the collection center in the different counties, the name is deleted and we are working with the farmer number. So that ticket is what goes back to the accounts office, and in 20